The Rapid Profit Machine Review, is it a scam? Hello friends. There are many scammers out there. You may be scared about which products to choose to help you make money online. Maybe Rapid Profit Machine is one of them. You're thinking of whether to hop in or to run before you lose the little money that you have. Don't worry, many people are in that dilemma too. In this video, I'll review Rapid Profit Machine, and show whether it is legit and worth investing in or something you should run away from as fast as you can before the scam bug catches up with you. So, I encourage you to sit tight, make yourself comfortable, grab a cup of coffee and watch this video to the very end. As always, remember that my mission in this channel is to help you make quality purchasing decisions. Hi, my name is Jackie J. Williams. If you like to watch more product review videos to enable you to decide which products/services to go for, then hit the red button on your right side to subscribe to this channel. This will encourage me to produce more videos and also tell the YouTube algorithm that there's a value derived from this channel. Click on the bell icon and select all from the drop-down. This makes it possible for you to be notified as soon as I release the next video. Give me a thumbs up if you get value from this video. But if for any reason you don't like the video, give me a dislike and let me know in the comments section below what I should do better. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. The links mentioned in this video are in the description section below. You can check them out. If you're ready, as I am, let's dive right in. Your head. Permit me to give you a brief background of James Neville Taylor. James Neville Taylor confirmed that he had attempted suicide in the past due to frustration. But by a mere stroke of luck, he decided to try his hand at an online business. With a survival instinct and a motivation to succeed, he pursued his business with all zeal and vigor. Today, he is a very successful businessman. In fact, he is reputed to be one of the top 1% of online earners today. Fortunately, he has not taken all his success to himself. He has helped hundreds of others to make their first online sale, including myself. You could achieve the same if you follow his free method, emails, and training. What exactly is the Rapid Profit Machine? The Rapid Profit Machine is a 50 multiple income stream totally done for you, DFY, affiliate marketing system built on the fantastic Builderall all-in-one digital marketing platform with unique auto-tag contemporary technology. This really innovative affiliate scheme is completely free to start. I'm not sure what James was thinking. So don't wait, join now before he realizes what he is doing and begins charging for it. James Neville Taylor worked for 6 months to figure it all out for you. So all you have to do is click a few buttons and your free affiliate marketing program is up and running. Without the need for recruiting, inventory, customer service, or even sales. It is the most freeing business model in the world. It is strongly advised that you go through each tab within, and fully utilize all of the excellent instruction that is available to you for free. What? Affiliate marketing is a sort of marketing in which you generate money through other people's websites. James could switch off his computer today and do nothing and still have $50,000 on autopilot. Skeptical? I'm in the same situation. Watch on to learn more about James Neville Taylor. The Rapid Profit Machine is a free, do-it-yourself affiliate marketing solution powered by Builderall's all-in-one digital marketing platform and patented auto-tag technology. As a free RPM user, all you have to do now is sign up for a 2-week free trial of Builderall, copy your unique RPM affiliate link, and start sending visitors to make money from 50 different revenue streams. Making money online doesn't get much easier than this. Your affiliate links will be hard-coded into all your email follow-ups delivered on your behalf. How much time does it take to start up this free affiliate program? It's also straightforward. It simply takes one click and roughly 5 minutes to build your Rapid Profit Machine. You also won't have to spend much time customizing and personalizing it. It is sent completely constructed and ready to use. Monthly profits from Rapid Profit Machine. Your first commission may be earned in only a few hours. It works flawlessly. For about 6 months, James worked on making it a push button so that anybody could use it. Yes, you, too. The 30 email follow-ups are one of the greatest aspects of the Rapid Profit Machine. And, yes, these are also professionally written for you. The membership site offers all of the necessary information, training, and promotional resources. If you want to gain free solo ad clicks and a seat in his free traffic rotator, there are a few more extra stages inside the Rapid Profit Machine member site. It's crazy. He is also providing you with free traffic. The course is designed to start with the fundamentals. That's why I love this arrangement. If you follow the basic methods outlined in the Rapid Profit Machine and don't give up, you will make money, according to James. It's perfect for both new and experienced affiliate marketers. A fraction of James' greatest preparation on free and paid traffic systems is included with your very own RPM. In addition, he utilizes a fraction of the Ninja X he performs to earn up to $100,000 or more every month. The methods are brief, basic, and direct. By the end, you'll have put up a system that will drain commissions from around 6 separate branch programs. Completely automated. You won't have to keep in contact with a single word of duplication, film any videos, or stutter through difficult programming. It is entirely completed. It's like owning your own fully stocked store and retiring bursting with the merchandise. Your primary job is to send people who will get them. Here are the easy instructions on how RPM works. So, when you finish setting up your Rapid Profit Machine, your 2 15-day email sequences will begin, and you will gather leads in your own email list. How simple is that? And your affiliate links will already be magically embedded in all of your emails. Enter your Rapid Profit Machine account information. Begin by viewing the videos and copying the system. Publicize the landing pages. Keep an eye on the traffic entering the system. Allow Rapid Profit Machine to handle the rest and get paid. Here's a rundown of everything you receive with this fantastic free affiliate program. You will have a fully working Rapid Profit Machine in less than 5 minutes by following a few simple steps and watching helpful tutorial videos. There is no requirement for editing or downloading for the 215 DFY email follow-up series, so you may gather leads. I failed to explain that you may earn from 50 distinct earning streams, all of which are hard-coded for you. New revenue streams are being introduced all the time. Access to hours of top-tier instruction from James Neville Taylor, the world's leading Builderall affiliate. You will also get access to the VIP Rapid Profit Machine Facebook group, which has over 9,000 members. Every Wednesday at 12 p.m. EST, by the finest marketers in the world, and Saturday at 12 p.m. EST, there is also free live masterclass training. So, how can I profit from the Rapid Profit Machine? You may ask. Of course, through affiliate marketing. You receive 30% commissions on the first 2 tiers of everyone who buys Builderall, and then 30% monthly recurring commissions, passive income. Not just on the people you bring into the RPM and / or through your Builderall affiliate sales funnels, but also on the people they bring in. This is known as a 2-tier affiliate system, the best kind. As a free RPM member, you earn 25% commissions on all 48 Rapid Profit Machine items, plus 10% on the Massive Affiliate Blueprint and 5% on MAB Elite, for a total of $1,625 per lead. This does not include your Builderall commissions. Are there any one-time offers, autos, in the Rapid Profit Machine? Yes, there are 4 possible upsells or autos, one-time offers, that you may choose from. They all are with a 14-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. Remember, as a free RPM member, you get 25% commissions on all RPM goods until you upgrade to RPM Pro, in which case you earn 50% commissions on all RPM products plus Massive Affiliate Blueprint and MAB Elite. With RPM Pro, you could earn $3,250 on a single lead. Mind-blowing. And if you think the Rapid Profit Machine is awesome, which it is, the Massive Affiliate Blueprint is the RPM multiplied by 1,000. Because I have it, I should know. And you get 75% commission on everything I just described. That's a potential $5,000 in commissions per lead. Plus, you earn 30% commissions on your first month, followed by 30% monthly recurring income on 2 tiers. So you're not just earning 30% commissions on sales you make, but also 30% commissions on purchases your leads make. Earnings from the Builderall Affiliate Program. Earnings from Builderall. Testimonial for Builderall Profits. Rapid Profit Machine Pro is the first auto. You will earn 50% commissions on any RPM upsells as well as the massive affiliate blueprint items, potentially earning you $3,250 each lead. Just like Builderall, any price you join it will be grandfathered in. In addition, you will receive additional VIP affiliate marketing training as well as free tracking software. This is absolutely optional, but it's a steal at that price. I have it and it's well worth it. Rapid Profit Machine Professional Plans. Testimonial for Rapid Profit Machine. Pro Testimonial for Rapid Profit Machine. Testimonial for Rapid Profit Machine Earnings. Earnings from a Rapid Profit Machine. Pro Fast Profit Machine. Auto 2, Sources of Traffic Secrets. With quality traffic, you will obtain the finest results from your Rapid Profit Machine for your new business. You will receive all of James' hidden traffic sources that he utilizes to generate around $2,000 every day. There is no catch. No gimmicks. You will not be joining up for any kind of trial to a monthly program or anything of the kind. Cost $7. Secret Traffic Sources, Auto 2 Rapid Profit Machine. With quality traffic, you will obtain the finest results from your Rapid Profit Machine for your new business. You will receive all of James' hidden traffic sources that he utilizes to generate around $2,000 every day. There is no catch. No gimmicks. You will not be joining up for any kind of trial to a monthly program or anything of the kind. Cost $7. Auto 3, DFY RPM Mind Relaxation. Allow James to handle the heavy lifting. I'll give you access to my staff so they can set everything up for you. This is my staff entering into your account and configuring everything for you. Plus I'll show you 3 super high converting revenue streams. It doesn't get much simpler than this. With a 30-day done for you, email sequence downloaded and inserted into your RPM system in just a few clicks, you will have access to 3 super high converting income streams. You currently have access to the primary RPM funnel, which includes 2 weeks of follow-up. But then what? What are your plans for the next 2 weeks? What are you going to do after those 2 weeks? Those hot leads are going to get colder and colder the longer you leave them without emailing them. Sure, you can go out and find some programs to promote. Hope they're good, hope they pay you what they will owe you, get the emails, get your links, then copy and paste everything. But let's face it, you've got better things to do. So with this package of 3 red-hot income streams, you can download the sequences, and easily connect them to your RPM without you even clicking edit on any of the emails. Using the same technology the RPM uses, it's never been easier. So, this will save you an incredible amount of time, energy, and effort, and also make sure your leads don't start to go cold after the RPM email sequence ends. Plus he is also going to throw in his Traffic Mastery Double course, which has sold for $497 in the past, absolutely free right now. This goes over dozens of traffic mastery techniques and will help you get tons of traffic to your systems. Costs $97. Auto 4, Turbocharge Upgrade. You will receive 4 strong lead generation software, plus 7 free VIP sessions with 7, 8, and 9-figure entrepreneurs worth tens of thousands of dollars. This is insane. James will offer you his full software package for an absurdly low one-time fee. His 3 strong lead generation software for a one-time massive discount plus 1 additional lead generation partner software. These are worth hundreds of dollars every month in total, and you can obtain them today for a cheap one-time fee. His 3 software products will work together to transform your Facebook into a strong lead generation machine. Turbo Networker is ranked first. This allows you to connect with friends and prospects on Facebook automatically and automate outreach. Post Prospector is ranked second. As a result, you may laser target goldmine posts and capture them before everyone else. Engage Extreme Live is ranked third. It enables you to significantly enhance Facebook Live interaction and attract the attention of influencers. All three of these tools may help you transform your Facebook page into a lead generation machine. Cost $297. Rapid Profit Machine Auto for lead generation software turbocharged. The massive affiliate blueprint is similar to the Rapid Profit Machine on steroids. You also earn 75% commissions on all RPM and MAB items, which means that one lead may be worth more than $5,000 in commissions to you. So, how much will this actually cost me? There is no fee to pay. There is no charge for the Rapid Profit Machine training within the membership site. I promised you it was a free affiliate marketing method that you could start right away and that it would blow your mind. All 4 Rapid Profit Machine Autos are entirely optional. The RPM includes a 2-week free Builderall trial, no credit card required, because the entire system is built on it and now Warrior Plus, February 21, 2022. Which is also stupidly inexpensive for having unrestricted access to over 40+ internet marketing tools all on one platform. You must have an active Builderall membership plan after completing your Builderall trial in order to access your RPM affiliate link and earn Builderall commissions as an RPM member. Builderall provides pricing plans that start at $16.90 per month after your 2-week free premium trial and allow you to market the RPM. However, keep in mind that you can use all 40 tools to create even more income streams, such as websites, blogs, sales funnels, unlimited email autoresponder, WooCommerce, webinars, help desk, chatbots, social media auto-posting, membership sites, e-learning, and even your own WordPress site and personal server. Aside from the several revenue streams contained inside the Rapid Profit Machine, there are numerous more tools and methods for earning money online. However, if you decide to cancel your Builderall membership, though I'm not sure why you would, you will still have access to the Rapid Profit Machine membership site and all of the training for free. Builderall also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee with no questions asked. You may now utilize Aweber instead of Builderall for your DFY email sequences. Aweber has plans starting from $19 per month. Are you sure this isn't a scam? It's 100% legit, my friend. This system is ideal for people brand new to affiliate marketing and also those experienced marketers wishing to add an additional income stream to their business. Click on the link in the description below to get instant access to your money-making machine today. My final thoughts on the Rapid Profit Machine. This system is awesome for anybody who wants to expand a new business or existing business on the internet. By following the steps, you get to learn and grow your digital marketing skills while making money to boot. It's an updated business in a box that is proven to work. You don't need any technical skills and all training is included. Meanwhile, you are learning from a super affiliate who has been around the block a time or two and practices what he preaches. There you have it. I encourage you to give RPM a try today. Imagining what this is all about will not help until you put your hands and feet in the trenches. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, if you've not already done so. Give me a thumbs up if you have derived value from this video. Some of your friends may need this information. Share this video with them. If you have any comments or questions, let me see them in the comments section below and I will try my best to respond to them.